Health officials warn part of Ohio's coronavirus spread is happening in bars and restaurants. So the agency that enforces liquor laws has now been empowered to enforce mask wearing and social distancing at dining establishments all across the state. News 5's Olivia FECTEAU shows us the consequences violators could face.
In Cuyahoga County, more than 550 complaints came in this past weekend about people not wearing masks. Most of those complaints were about businesses.
Most bar owners are doing a good job, but we do have bar owners out there who are not doing a good job. And so we've asked the health department to pinpoint those.
Governor Mike DeWine says health departments will have help from the Ohio Investigative Unit, part of the Ohio Department of Public Safety that usually deals with liquor permits.
We've been trying to educate as much as we can. We have taken some enforcement action for places that are, egregious violations where there's, dozens of people, congregating, not social distancing, basically a threat to public health and safety.
Greg CROFT is the agent in charge for the OIU's Cleveland office. He says most places are doing well, adjusting to the new normal, requiring masks and social distancing among customers.
But there are some that are still committing some egregious violations. So those are the ones that we're going to be targeting.
OIU agents have dual authority. They have administrative authority to cite locations, issuing a violation notice for a hearing in front of the Ohio Liquor Control Commission about that business's liquor permit.
At that point in time, they would make up any decision on what type of fines, suspensions, revocations. That's completely up to them at that point.
They also have authority to issue criminal citations, but that's not the first step. CROFT says he wants to remind the public the health order is in place for a reason, and business owners have to follow it. I
would ask that the patrons have respect for the business owners. They're trying to do the right thing. I would just ask everybody to be patient with everyone, and we try to get through this together.
If you have complaints about violations, you can contact your local health department or get in touch with your local office of the Ohio Investigative Unit. Olivia FECTEAU, News 5.